Farm to School Coordinator Danielle here, and for Harvest of the Month, we're going to learn how to make maple muffins. For this recipe, these are the equipment and ingredients you will need. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to gather my sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Then I'm going to measure out 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds and set those aside. The rest I'm going to spread onto a baking sheet and toast in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Once toasted, they should be nice and golden. Next, line a muffin tin with liners and set aside. Step 3. We're going to gather all our dry ingredients. Next, I'm going to combine my dry ingredients in a bowl. That's all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, salt, baking powder, and cinnamon. Whisk these ingredients together. Step 4, we're going to gather our wet ingredients. I have my flax meal, brown sugar, vanilla, oil, maple syrup, and applesauce. And combine my 2 tablespoons of flax meal with a 1/4 cup of warm water. Whisk to combine and set aside to cool for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the rest of my wet ingredients: the applesauce, oil, vanilla, maple syrup, and brown sugar. Whisk well to combine. Step 5, we're going to combine our wet and dry ingredients. Transfer your dry ingredients to a large bowl. Make a well in the center and pour in your wet ingredients. Now we're going to mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients using a whisk or a spoon. Next, I'm going to add my pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Add in and fold to combine. Step 6. Grab your prepared muffin tin and the batter. Now we will split the batter into 12 equal muffins. To finish our maple muffins, we'll grab the pumpkin and sunflower seeds we put aside and top each muffin with some. Bake the muffins at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown and delicious. Once baked, allow to cool for a few minutes before enjoying. For more information on maple, check out vermontharvestofthemonth.org.